This looks like a historically important place. You see, when we see the dilapidated house, and it looks like an old pagoda from here. However, you can see the trees growing on this wall, and however, to bring the materials here to build this house is unimaginable, because no roads and no facilities nearby. And however, those people have worked hard to actually build this house a long time ago. You can see still the stone wall is very strong, even though this has exposed to rain and harsh weather conditions. However, you can see the wall has leaned a little bit, and but it has not fallen on the ground, so it is unimaginable and amazing. So you see, and the inside, but you can't see because we have dumped the garbages here. So however, thank you for watching.